Good evening, front desk speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, good evening. I'm calling from room 214, and I think I have a small problem.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
The air conditioner in my room is not working.
Oh, I'm very sorry about that. Is the room feeling too warm?
Yes, it's a little uncomfortable right now.
I understand. Thank you for letting us know.
I wasn't sure if I was using it correctly, so I checked it again.
That's okay. Sometimes these things happen. Did the air conditioner stop working recently?
Yes, it was working earlier this evening.
And now it's not cooling anymore?
Yes, exactly. I turned it on, but the room is still warm.
I see. Let me check something in our system.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you for waiting.
Sure,
I'm going to send someone from our maintenance team to check it.
that would be great, thank you.
The maintenance staff should arrive at your room in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. I really appreciate your help.
Of course, we want you to be comfortable during your stay.
Thank you, that's very kind.
And if the problem cannot be fixed quickly, we can move you to another room.
Oh, that's very thoughtful.
We'll try to fix the air conditioner first.
Yes, that sounds good.
By the way, are you enjoying your stay at the hotel so far?
Yes, I am. Everything else has been wonderful.
I'm glad to hear that.
The room is very comfortable.
That's great.
And everyone on the staff has been very helpful.
Thank you very much. We're happy you're staying with us.
I'm really enjoying my visit.
That's nice to hear.
Thank you for helping me so quickly.
You're very welcome.
I'll wait here for the maintenance team.
They should arrive shortly.
Perfect.
If you need anything else, please call the front desk again.
I will. Thank you very much.
Have a nice evening.
Thank you, you too.